Hello friends, today I will tell you the final approval of the work of MPLADS portal payment. Just after the checker ID work, this work is finally come to the IEmain ID inbox. Just log into the IEmain ID and go to manage inbox. Here you will see the work here, click on it. Then check the details here. Here is a download EPPA format. Click here. The file is downloaded. We'll see that it's a receipt of the payment by which for the vendors here, vendor unique code, vendor name, payment, receipt. Okay, this is the final receipt of the payment. Now click here, click I hereby certify that. Then you have to click on approve. Yes, OTP generated. After the OTP, click on submit and the payment is in progress. It will be submitted in 4 working days in the account of vendors. Thank you.